Children, today we will learn the easiest method to insert image on web page and image background. I have already written this program. This is a tag to insert background image on the web page. Here I am using background because I want to insert image as a background on the web page. This is image tag. And in this tag I am giving the same file name. SS is my file name and JPG is a file type. The difference between background and image is on the background you can do everything, but on the image you can't write or you can't do anything. And here I am giving the image size in pixels. Height is 150 pixel, width is 150 pixels and border is equal to 2 pixel. Now we see our image. I have already saved an image on the desktop. The file name of this image is S, and if you want to insert your image on the web page, then you will have to save your image on the desktop, and by right mouse click on it you can see the property of this image. File name is small s and file type is .jpg. The same file name and extension I have used in this program s.jpg. If you have saved your image on a desktop, then you don't need to give its location here like C drive, D drive. We don't need to mention it in the program. Now we see the output. Here you can see the output. It is displaying multiple images on the background, and this is the output of image tag. It is displaying the multiple images, that's why it's the actual size. The actual size of the image is this. So to occupy the whole screen it is displaying the multiple images. But if we want to resize it, then we have to go to the paintbrush. We have to open file name, file, open s.jpg, s.jpg. This is the actual size of the file. First we have to increase the canvas size like this. After that we have to select the file like this, and after selection drag it like this. Ctrl S, and now we see the output. F5 for refresh. This is the output. Like this, children, you can insert your image or any image on the web page, or you can insert image background on the web page. Thank you.